spring to give you heart, a song to sing, and then a kiss. Oh, but more than this, I wish you love. And in July, a lemonade to cool you in some leafy glade. I wish you health and more than wealth. I wish you love. My breaking heart, and I agree that you and I will never be. So with my best, my very best, I set him free. I wish you shelter from the storm, a cozy fire to keep you warm. But most of all, when snowflakes fall, I wish you love. You and I will never be. So with my best, my very best, I set you free. I wish you shelter from the storm, a cozy fire to keep you warm. But most of all, when snowflakes fall, I wish you love. But most of all, when snowflakes fall, I wish you love. But most of all, when snowflakes fall, I wish you love.
Walk, would you run? If I stop, would you come? If I say you're the one, would you believe me? If I ask you to stay, would you show me the way? Tell me what to say so you don't leave me. The world is catching up to you while you're running away to chase your dream. It's time for us to make a move, 'cause we are asking one another to change. And maybe I'm not ready, but I'll try for your love. I can hide start? Would you just play the part, or tell me it's the start of something beautiful? Am I catching up to you while you're running away to chase your dreams? It's time for us to face the truth, 'cause we are coming to each other to change.